So what's up, guys? So today I just wanted to vlog my basketball runs today. I'm gonna be playing with my brother, my cousin, and his friends. And I've been playing there for like so long, and I've never really got into video anything with my camera. So, so today is my opportunity to like get out of my comfort zone and film in public just to get the fear out. You know what I mean? And yeah, just capture highlights, lowlights, or whatever, and just to enjoy the vibes and just take you guys along with me. And this is just basically like my way of taking the reps of like continuously vlogging and filming, getting the hang of it basically, and just talking to the camera. I think that's been a problem of mine. It's something that I've been struggling with, but yeah, please bear with me. I don't know if I'm going to be talking a lot in this video, but if I do, I think that's an improvement from before. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready, freshen up. It's 5:24. The runs start at 6. Yeah, let's see what we get out of this vlog. By the way, guys, I just want to say, like, this is one of the dudes that inspired me, Phil Kofer. He's a tough YouTuber. Talks about God, talks about his daily life, just vlogs about everything, not gonna lie. Yeah, so he's been one of my inspirations, and he's the one that inspires me to vlog. So yeah, let's brush my teeth. We gotta go, bro. It's hot, bro. It's hot. Let's go, bro. I'm running late, dog. I'm not gonna lie. I'm running late. Alright, guys. So I'm on the way to the basketball court. It's looking like it's gonna rain really hard tonight. It's very cloudy. There's been some typhoons recently. That's why school's been suspended a lot of the times in these past few weeks. This court it has a roof, so it's indoor, so it's not as bad, but you know, some leaks get in here and there, but you know, we make do what we got with what we got. Yeah, so I just want to say, like, just to document things, the people I'm gonna be playing with, I've been playing with them since I was like 15. My brother and my cousin's friends, they're a lot older than me, they're a lot much more experienced than me, I'd say. Ever since I was 15, my brother and my cousin, they would like just put me in there just to play with them. And mind you, they're like what, 20 years older than me, like just double digits basically. And I think I've learned a lot from them just by playing with them, just playing up with age. And I guess that's how I gained my experience in playing, just because I played with older people for a majority of my life. And damn, look at the dude, man. Damn, my bad. But anyways, yeah, I think that's how I gained my experience of playing basketball. All of, like, some of them are in the pros, some of them are just playing just to play, but you'll know, like, they're hoopers, like, they're legit. Like, just playing with a bunch of different people has helped me. And this is thing, like, every Tuesday we play. It's something that I always look forward to, and you get to meet new people or just see the same old people that have basically seen me grow up. And it's crazy. Like, I thought about it like last night. Like, I've been playing with them since I was 15. I'm 22 now, so just do the math. And like, yeah, bro, it's been a while. Even in pandemic days, we still found a way to play. Like, even just like 4-on-4, 3-on-3, those type of games. Yeah, I'm near to the court right now, and I'm gonna see you guys once I park. Alright, so I guess I'm second game. Let's see what I'll play with. Hopefully good competition. I'll introduce you guys to my sibling and to my cousin and Kennedy's friend, so let's get it, man. Oh, I gotta lock my car, my bad. Back comms, back comms. Are we good to go? Ooh. My bad. I gotta be careful, dog. Sheesh. Oh yeah, this is something new that I'm trying to do, and hopefully everybody won't like judge me around here. So let's get it, man. So we're here. What's up, Kuya Lloyd? What's up, bro? Up to the vlog. Kuya Lloyd. Too late.
Too late. What's that? That's it, no?
Second game looks QG because Kuya Lloyd is part.
You know what it is.
You.
Last game, no?
Last game.
Last
That was so. Oh my gosh. Pang pagising yun. I got so hyped because you guys were down like how many, and then umabot pa kayo.
Like, we're not even making our easy baskets.
They relaxed, no?
Yeah.
Hey, say what's up sa mga fans mo.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. How many months na wala ka?
2 months.
2 months. Lou Will. Hey. They Harv.
The shoes.
Grabing shoes ah.
Ano, from Cartoon Magpasay.
Pakita nga. Bago?
Hindi naman, sakto lang.
Pang baller, no?
Oo.
Pang
Pinapaporma ko na nga rin eh. Pwede siya pang porma.
It's raining really hard. Shout out. Tyler Lim. Pinaka-pogi sa lahat. Nagtatapis, bro. Baka makitaan.
Hi, good evening. Guys, welcome to Tyler's vlog.
Bagong shoes, mga kaibigan. Go, Tay! Uy, bola. Sorry.
Nasa vlog yun!
Highlight yun, pare. Dylan Harper.
Yun, pwede yun.
Okay ba? Okay ba yung performance ko?
Sa nakita ko ngayong gabi, pwede. Gusto ko yung mga shooting mo, tsaka yung mga saksak mo ngayong gabi.
Ikaw ko nga.
Di natapos yung game. Ibig sabihin, di naka 40 points on both teams. So, I don't know if it's a good game.
Yeah,
Hater lang. Hater lang. You got time to hate today. Ingat! Bruh. Not gonna lie, boys. I'm tired, bro. We had to wait for like 45 minutes just for the rain to stop. It took a while for me to play my first game, bro. It's all good though. Pretty much how my Tuesdays go. It was cool. I got to like vlog in front of my kuyas, and you know, that was cool. Like everyone was just like cool with it, you know. I haven't really done that ever, so that's my first time, and I'm glad that I did it. It's kind of like facing a fear. Yeah, I'm glad that everybody had fun, just played, and hopefully the clips did me justice. I don't know, I was kind of being careful because of the wet spots and all. I appreciate whoever watched this. Thank you for sticking to the end. Yeah, appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. So yeah, appreciate y'all. Boom.